Welcome to the world of Tesla enhancements, where every detail matters. Meet the KHAWY Tray Table, designed for the discerning Tesla Model 3 and Y owner. Crafted for convenience, this tray table transforms your vehicle into a mobile office or dining space with ease. Here's John, a Tesla enthusiast who values both form and function. Watch as he demonstrates the seamless integration of the tray table. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide the belt through, and you're moments away from enjoying your new tray table. Precision engineering ensures a perfect fit. Notice the attention to detail as the metal piece secures the tray. Even for the non-handy, the KHAWY Tray Table comes with tools and a guide that make installation straightforward and satisfying. As we revisit the open door, imagine the possibilities that the KHAWY Tray Table brings to your Tesla experience. Comfort meets functionality as we see the tray table in use, a testament to KHAWY's commitment to quality. John's satisfaction is evident. The tray table's adjustable angles cater to his every need, whether for work or a quick snack. Let's dive deeper into the installation. The belt secures the tray with no need for additional tools or modifications. The metal piece not only adds stability, but also complements the Tesla's sleek design, marrying aesthetics with utility. With the provided tools, you're empowered to enhance your Tesla's interior within minutes, adding both value and versatility. As we conclude, the open door symbolizes the new opportunities that await with the KHAWY Tray Table in your Tesla. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The KHAWY Tray Table is more than an accessory, it's an upgrade to your Tesla lifestyle. Join the ranks of satisfied Tesla owners like John and elevate your driving experience with the KHAWY Tray Table today. Remember, the ease of installation means you're just steps away from this simple yet impactful upgrade. The KHAWY Tray Table, where premium material meets meticulous design, ensuring a perfect match for your Tesla. We've seen the simplicity, now it's your turn to experience the functionality. The KHAWY Tray Table awaits you. Thank you for considering the KHAWY Tray Table. Open the door to a new level of Tesla ownership. Discover the difference with KHAWY, where every journey is enhanced. Drive smarter, live better.